Hey there people, my name is Ax, and in today's video I have one of the most amazing client stories. She was able to manifest her ex back after no contact for 3 years. And in this video I want you guys to understand one thing. The objective of this video is not to promote you guys to manifest your ex, but to realize the power of our subconscious mind and how it can just completely transform our love life if we heal our subconscious mind. Now, when this client actually came to me, she was going through a very bad breakup and she sent me this amazing message. Now, I want you to read this message to understand what she was going through, and also understand I don't enroll people into my program who think that this program is for manifesting your ex. So she clearly expressed that she wanted to heal her relationship pattern, but it would be great if she was able to manifest her ex back. And that's how we started. Now, her story goes like that she was going through a pattern of relationship where her partners would just completely ignore her and make her feel abandoned, and she would feel that her partners are not invested into her as much as she is invested into them. Now, this is where we need to understand why she was going through all of this. She was going through all of this because she had a terrible father wound as well as a mother wound. Now, between the ages of 1 to 9, she went through a childhood where her father wasn't there. Her parents got divorced and her father wasn't around, and she used to stay with her mother. And because of that, she developed a significant father wound. Now, because of the father wound, the traits that are influenced by father are self-esteem, self-worth, self-confidence, self-respect, and sense of identity. Now, all these 5 traits were in deficit. Now, because of the father wound and the absence of a father, she had a lot of expectations from her mother. Now, even though her mother didn't do anything wrong, she was there for her all along, she still developed a mother wound. Now, because of a mother wound, what happened is the traits that are influenced by mothers, such as empathy, expression of love, nurturing, creativity, and spirituality, she had all 5 of these in excess. And because of that, she became obsessed with her partners. In all her relationships, she would become obsessed with her partners, and her partners would just abandon her or cheat on her or make her feel like she's not good enough. However, in her last relationship, she actually met a good guy. However, that relationship wasn't able to work out because her pattern started playing again and again in the relationship, and that ended up in a breakup. Now, once she enrolled into my program, the first thing I did was I went inside her subconscious mind, healed her father wound, and healed her mother wound. Now, here's the most interesting aspect of her story. This is the message she sent me, and I've been waiting to share with you guys that now she's about to get married to her ex. Now, I don't promote marrying your ex. I never do. It's your own choice. But we need to understand the moment we healed her subconscious mind, she was able to attract her ex back. Her ex messaged her, and that's how the conversation began. And because of that, the relationship progressed and the pattern was broken. But also the fact that I also teach all my clients conversational hypnosis so that you are able to connect with your partner's subconscious mind in a way that makes them attracted to you, and the relationship worked out. She's getting married next month, and she sent me this beautiful message, and I was really happy for her, and I thought I would share with you guys how this magnificent story tells us that if we have any kind of father wound or mother wound inside our subconscious mind, that pattern will play out for the rest of our life, and we need to heal that. Now, in her story, what you're also going to observe is her partner was the one that messaged her. Now, you need to understand law of attraction, law of vibration, law of assumption, law of resonance, law of familiarity. All these laws speak the same thing because they are all about our subconscious mind. The moment you start feeling that self-love and self-confidence, your subconscious mind already knows what you desire. And if that particular person is in alignment with your subconscious mind, it will attract that partner. So you can manifest your ex only if within those relationship dynamic you were the person that were influencing that particular subconscious pattern into the relationship. That means within that particular relationship you were nurturing your partner into behaving exactly as your trauma bond. So the moment you heal your trauma bond, you end up attracting either the right relationship or even your ex if you were the person who were nurturing your partner into behaving as such. Now, her story is really inspirational, and I'm really happy to share it with you guys on Valentine's Day because everyone expects some love on Valentine's Day. And I want you all to be inspired by her story and understand that you can attract the relationship that you truly desire, or you can attract your ex. But I do not promote attracting your ex. But the way to either attract your ex or attract the relationship that you truly desire is all the same. Get inside your subconscious mind and heal that particular subconscious pattern. The moment you heal it, everything becomes balanced and you attract sustainable relationships into your life. Now, I would like to welcome you all to try out my 15 days instant healing program. But remember, I'm going to say it again and again. This program is not for you if you want to manifest your ex. This is especially for people who are serious about healing their subconscious pattern and attracting sustainable relationships into your life. Now, if we take example of her story, she took my program last year and it took her 5 months, after which she was able to attract that perfect partner. So you need to also understand that the way my program works is I will take you inside your subconscious mind and your subconscious mind will give you the lessons. Now, whatever lessons your subconscious mind gives you, you need to follow those lessons. Those are the inspired actions you need to keep taking. The moment you start practicing those lessons, you become a magnet to whatever your desire is and you will attract your desire. So effort is required, as well as patience. Now, if that is something that makes you go like, I want to try your 15 days instant healing program, the process is very simple. You can sign up for a free mini therapy session with me. And in that session, I'm only going to analyze your subconscious mind map to understand if you have the right subconscious conditioning and if I can promise you the results. And if I can promise you the results, I will enroll you into my program, or else I will refuse you. So you need to understand, if your free mini therapy session gets cancelled, that is only because I cannot promise you the results. So if you are serious about that, check the link out in the description and in the pinned comment. And happy Valentine's Day to each and every one of you. I hope you enjoy this Valentine's Day and get inspired by her story to understand love is right at the corner. You just need to heal your subconscious mind and you will be able to attract that. Stay safe, stay blessed, and spread the love, and leave a lovely comment to show some love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.